Hello students, I am here again with a yet another new story of class 7, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Now Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Now what is the Hilsa fish? Hilsa fish is a very costly fish which is popularly known as Ilish Mach. If I am not wrong, it's known as Ilish Mach. Now Gopal and the Hilsa fish is basically a comic. Now what is a comic? A comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures. So Gopal and the Hilsa fish, the story begins, it was the season of Hilsa fish. Everyone everyone was talking about Hilsa fish. Whether we can say the householders, whether the fishmongers, even the courtiers in the kingdom, the courtiers were too talking about Hilsa fish. Now the king was fed up with this talk. The king was very irritated by this talk of Hilsa fish. So he was very fed up with this talk of Hilsa fish. And in the palace also, the courtiers were talking about Hilsa fish. And when the king heard the talk of Hilsa fish, he got irritated. He got fed up and shouted at the courtiers. He shouted at the courtiers, Ki, are you a courtier or a fisherman? What is this going on? Are you a courtier or a fisherman? So they all fell silent. But suddenly the king felt sorry that I should have not shouted on you all. But but he was very much worried that is there no one in this kingdom? Is there no one in this kingdom who could stop this talk of Hilsa fish? Who could stop this talk of Hilsa? Not even Gopal. Now Gopal was also a courtier, but he was the wisest courtier of his kingdom. So Gopal was brought, Gopal came, and king gave him a challenge that could you stop these people from talking about Hilsa fish even for 5 minutes? Gopal accepted the challenge happily. He accepted the challenge. Now the challenge was he had to buy a Hilsa fish, or we can say he had to buy a huge Hilsa fish, and he had to bring it from market to the palace, and on the way no one should utter a word about it. No one should talk a word about Hilsa fish. So how was it possible? It was the season of Hilsa fish. Everyone was talking about Hilsa fish. Everyone was noticing Hilsa fish. Everyone was talking about Hilsa fish. In their minds, only the thing was going on was about Hilsa fish. So how was it possible that Gopal buys a Hilsa fish and he brings from market to the palace, and on the way no one will talk about Hilsa fish? But Gopal accepted the challenge. Okay, I'll try, or I'll do. So after few days, what he did, he started shaving his half face. He started shaving his half of the beard. His wife was shocked. What is he doing? Has he gone mad? He's half shaving his face. He asked, What are you doing? He only replies, I am dressing myself to buy up a Hilsa fish, to buy a huge Hilsa fish. Dressing up to buy a huge Hilsa fish? What is the need of shaving your half face? Now, not only he shaved his half face, after that he smeared ash all over his body, all over his face, head, all over his body. His wife was astonished. His wife was totally shocked. Has he gone totally mad or what? Now after that he wore rags, torn clothes, फटा चिटा हुआ कपड़ा वो पहन लिया. His wife thought that he has gone completely mad. And by doing these three things, what three things? He half shaved his face, smeared ash all over his face and body, and wore disgraceful rags. He wore torn clothes, and he set out to buy a Hilsa fish. And what he did, he bought a Hilsa fish and he started his journey. He started his way towards the palace. Now, on the way, a boy, a small kid notices. Hey mom, see this man. Isn't he comical? Isn't he looking funny? Many others were talking. Some were talking that he has gone mad. Is he a madman? Some says he's a mystic. He's a mysterious person. But somehow he reached the palace. Several people talked several things about him. Some said he's a comical man, some says he's a madman, some says he's a mystic person. He's a mysterious person. Somehow he reached the palace. Now, when Gopal reached the court, the guards did not allow him to go inside the palace because they did not know, by looking at his appearance, they did not know that he is one of my courtier, Gopal. They did not allow. Gopal said. The guards asked, "What do you want?" He says, "I want to meet the king." You want to meet the king? They also thought he is a madman. They did not allow him to go inside. Then an idea came inside Gopal's mind. He started dancing and singing very loudly. And the voice went inside the court. The king heard the voice. He says, "Who is that man? Bring that man to me at once." And he was brought inside the court. He was brought inside the court, but one of the courtiers recognized him that he's Gopal. He has gone mad, I think so. He has gone totally mad. The king was also confused why Gopal is dressed in this fashion, why Gopal is dressed in this ridiculous fashion. And he asks Gopal, "Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion?" Gopal says, "You have seemed to forgotten something, Your Majesty." Forgotten something? The king was shocked, surprised. He was totally surprised. What I have forgotten? Then he says, "It's very strange that from market to the palace no one uttered a word about this hilsa fish that I am carrying in my hand. All are attracted towards me, but no one talked a word about hilsa fish." And what was your challenge? What was your challenge? Your challenge was nobody should talk a word about hilsa fish. Now the king remembered his challenge that he has given a few days ago, a few weeks ago. And he started laughing. And he congratulated Gopal that you have achieved the impossible once again. You have proved that you are the wisest courtier of my kingdom. You have proved. And he congratulated him. And he was very happy. Now the story ends here. But the lesson that we learn from this story is that we should not give up in any of our situation. We should not give up in any of our situation. Nothing is impossible in this world. We'll definitely find a solution to. Nothing is impossible in this world. We'll definitely find a solution to it, no matter how hard the situation is. We'll definitely find a solution. So we should never give up, because nothing is impossible in this world. Because smart people will make smart decisions. Smart people will remember, smart people will make smart decisions, and that's the most important factor. That's the most important factor in how things turn out good for you. Because smart people can achieve anything in this world. Smart people can achieve anything in this world with his or her intelligence. So we can say that we should not give up in any of our situation. We should not give up in any of our situation. So now we'll discuss some of the question answers. So the first question says, why did the king want no more talk about the hilsa fish? The first question is, why did the king want no more talk about the hilsa fish? Yeah. The king wanted no more talk about hilsa fish because everyone was talking about hilsa fish, and the king was fed up. King was irritated by that talk. Second question is, what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was capable? Means that challenge. Now what was the challenge? He was asked to buy a huge hilsa fish and bring it from the market to the palace, and on the way no one should say a word about hilsa fish. That was the challenge given to Gopal. Now the third question says, what three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? What are the three things? If you remember, the first thing, he half shaved his face. Second thing, he smeared ash all over his body. And the third, he wore disgraceful rags. So the first thing he did, he half shaved his face. Second, he smeared ash all over his body. And the third, he wore disgraceful rags. Now, the fourth question says, how did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? Because remember, the guards were not allowing him to go inside the palace. So, what he did? He started singing and he started dancing and singing very loudly so that the voice could be heard inside the palace. And that was the thing happened. The king heard the voice and he was called inside the palace. Now, fifth question, explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Now, why no one was interested in talking about Hilsa fish? Though it was the season of Hilsa fish, everyone was talking about Hilsa fish. In everybody's minds, the Hilsa fish was going on. Still that day, when Gopal bought that huge Hilsa fish, no one talked a word about Hilsa fish. Why? Because all were attracted towards his appearance rather than Hilsa fish. He made his appearance look so comical that everyone was attracted towards his appearance rather than Hilsa fish. Okay, thank you, friend. Thank you, students. If you have any problem, you can just ask to me regarding this chapter. Thank you.